Alright, so guys, ito ang i-vlog natin ngayon. This HP 15S. So, bakit ito? Actually, 3 months ago, na-vlog na namin to. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize, no? Kasi nung last 3 months, kung mapapansin nyo dyan sa pila na yan, ang kalahati dyan, isang brand lang ang binili. Which is...
HP po.
HP po. HP laptop po.
Siyempre, since naging mabenta siya, naubos yung stocks na yon. And now, bumabalik ulit yung stock na ito. But, hindi na siya 8 gig. And mas mataas na ang kanyang specifications. Wherein, sa same price pa rin. Kung dati, sa kanyang presyo, napakabenta niya, what more, this one on the same price na mas mataas ang specifications. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung bagong improvement. Is it worth it? Or baka hindi na siya ganun ka-hotcake. So, samahan niyo ako, unbox natin tong HP 15S. So, what's inside the box? Of course, ganun pa rin. Egg tray. There's actually a purpose kung bakit egg tray yung box ng HP. Is if you're gonna compare it sa mga ibang brands, mga plastic or yung talagang mga styrofoam, which is talagang hindi sila environmental friendly. Kaya pala, egg tray ang ginagamit ng HP is not because na nagtitipid sila. It's because of they're also environmental conscious. Pinapagalitan na kasi ako ng HP. We have printed materials, and it comes with a charger, which is 19.5 volts, 2.31 ampere with a 45 watts. Isang napansin ko kay HP, it comes with 2 power socket, no? Ito yung lagi natin ginagamit sa Pilipinas, while this one, ito yung ginagamit sa ibang bansa. Ang kinagandahan nito, may fuse. And then, of course, hindi mawawala ang kanyang bag. Now, let's proceed with the appearance of this HP 15S. Kailangan pa ba natin explain yung appearance nito? Well, technically guys, no, the appearance of the HP is actually pare-parehas. By years goes by, ganun na ganun pa rin ang kanyang appearance, yung HP 15S. Nagbabago ang model is because nagbabago ang kanyang specifications, pero by means of appearance, silver pa rin siya from anywhere. Bakit keyboard ba to? Hindi siya backlit. Well, technically, if you turn on the laptop, dapat mag-appear na yung kanyang ilaw eh. So, hindi siya backlit. Isasama natin yan sa cons. There's the aluminum brush stroke sa kanyang appearance. Ayan, may kita nyo yung logo niya. DY. Ay, HP pala. Import siya, ganun pa rin. USB 3.0 Type A, dalawa dito. And then, may saksakan ng power. And then, sa kabila is an HDMI and a Type C. Audio combo jack and then SD card reader. Of course, the dimension and the weight is also the same, katulad ng mga predecessors niya. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this HP. So, the complete model is HP 15S EQ2086AU. Now, the processor of this unit is AMD Ryzen 5. That is 5500U. Base boost is 2.1 GHz while the turbo is 4 GHz. It runs with 6 cores and 12 threads. Dati kasi, yung bestseller na HP namin, ang processor nun is AMD Ryzen 5 5625U. If we're gonna check the difference about it, syempre, mas mataas si 5625 compared to 5500U. The higher the number, the better. So, isama natin yan sa cons. Mas mabilis ang processor before nung dating model. Now, the memory of this HP 15S is 16 gig. That is DDR4 3200 MHz. Now, guys, dati, mabenta na tong unit na to sa 8 gig variant niya. What more na naka 16 gig? So, isa sa mga pros ng unit na ito, yung kanyang memory. It went to double. Yes, the processor medyo bumaba, pero yung memory niya, hindi mo na kailangan i-upgrade kasi upgraded na ito. The storage is 512 SSD, katulad din yung dati. And kanyang display is also 15.6. This is a full HD, but it is not an IPS display, katulad din ng dating model niya. So the graphics card, of course, it is integrated. That is AMD Radeon graphics. Now, if you might ask, pwede ba to sa games? Yes, pwede naman sa games, but not AAA games. Yung mga simple games lang, katulad ng mga Dota 2, Counter-Strike. But if you're gonna play here Call of Duty, wala. Ngangachi. Ang isa rin sa kagandahan ng unit na ito, kaya siya naging bestseller, is it comes with the Microsoft Office. Now, the Microsoft Office of this unit is actually a lifetime. Hindi siya mga trial version. Yung dating HP 15S, isa sa mga nagpabenta nun is it comes with a GCash promo na worth na mga 3,000. On this model, nag-iba ng promo ngayon si HP, hindi na GCash. So, ang new promo nila is yung mga HyperX mga headphones. This is actually mga gaming headphones eh. Etong promo na to is eligible ito sa mga certain products ni na HP. If you want to claim your HyperX headphone, you need to go to their website and then doon may step-by-step process kung paano nyo makiklaim. But, guys, this is only valid for a certain products. If you're gonna purchase a Victus or yung mga HP Omen, of course, mas magandang HyperX yung matatanggap ninyo. On this HP 15S, to be honest, hindi ganun kagandahan. Parang katulad lang din ng dati. It's just, we're not expecting talaga sobrang ganda sa camera. Hindi naman to katulad ng mobile phone. And what you're hearing right now is the audio quality coming from this HP 15S. Sound quality ng unit na ito is actually malakas. Kasi there are some laptops na ang sounds nila nanggagaling sa ilalim. But for this one, dito sa taas. The laptop is upgradable to 16 gig pero i-check pa natin underneath the chassis nito kung parehas lang ba doon sa previous model niya or meron pang pwedeng i-upgrade. This is plastic and this is what's underneath the chassis. Okay, so it comes with 2 memory slots. So this is an 8 gig and another 8 gig. That is why a total of 16 gig and the processor is here, the AMD Ryzen 5. And we have here one fan at the middle and the 512 SSD on this side. The Wi-Fi card is here. So na-notice ko lang kanyang battery ang liit. Okay, so hindi dulo to dulo. Parang 1/4 of the laptop, nandun lang yung battery. It's because there's a vacant slot here. I'm not sure if this is a slot for a 2.5 SATA. Kasi if it is a slot for a 2.5 SATA, sana meron man lang ribbon. So meron ditong port na pwede ka magkabit ng 2.5 SATA. Parang meron nakaabang, pero wala siya yung kanyang cartridge. In case that you want to add as an extra storage here, best na dalhin nyo sa HP. And there is no actually guarantee this is a 2.5 SATA ready. This could be either an extension of the battery sana, pero ang liit ng battery. Kung maliit sana yung battery sana, this part sana is pwede sana maglagay ng 2.5 SATA. Anyways, just to sum it up, wala ka na kailangan i-upgrade dito because yung dalawang memory, 16 gig na ang nakakabit, which is actually ideal para sa Ryzen 5 and a 512 SSD is already installed here. This laptop comes with a 1-week replacement and a 2 years HP warranty. Let's talk about the cons of this laptop. Alright, number 1, the processor. Medyo bumaba ang kanyang processor kasi dati, it is a 5625U. Now, it is a 5500U. So there's a small difference on it. So another cons on this laptop might be box, egg tray. Hindi na. HP said that they're just being environmental friendly. So, another cons on this laptop, probably yung camera niya. Ganun na rin yung quality camera niya kahit doon sa mga dating mga models na ito. Until now, hindi pa rin maganda ang camera quality niya. But, if you're looking for a good camera quality, you can go to a Pavilion or to an Envy. Pero syempre, mas mahal na yon. So, another cons on this unit, hindi siya backlit keyboard. Okay, so, inaintindihan ko na nagtitipid si HP para mabenta natin ng mura ito. Pero syempre, backlit keyboard is still a factor. And lastly, isa sa mga cons niya, kanyang display. Yes, it is a Full HD but it is not an IPS. So, kung titignan mo, sa iba't ibang angulo, nag-iiba-iba ang kulay niya. So, kasi normally, ang mga i5 or Ryzen 5 and above, naka-IPS display na. Actually nga, mga i3, naka-IPS display na rin. Even sa mga Celeron na mga Chewy, IPS display na. Or probably, syempre, budget conscious, gusto ni HP, mabenta ito ng mura. So, talagang nag-sacrifice yung ibang quality. Now, let's talk about the pros on this unit. Comparing it to the old model, this is a 16 gig variant. Yung dati naming HP 15S, 8 gig lang yun, and yet mabenta yon. So this is a 16 gig. So of course, syempre, mas mabenta to. Well, technically, hindi pa namin to binavlog, nabebenta na tong unit na ito. Bakit? Kasi may mga customers kami na naubusan nung old model. Nung nakita nila yung new model, tapos 16 gig pa, actually, mas natuwa pa sila. So yung mga nakabili dyan ng 8 gig, sorry. Di bali, mas mataas naman ang processor na nakuha ninyo eh. Okay, another pros on this unit, ayun ang kanyang promo. So, every time that you're gonna purchase this unit, makaka-avail ka ng HyperX na headphone. And this can be claimed sa HP mismo, not sa Laptop Factory. That is why we'll send there a link how you claim yung headphone. Now, that is a promo time period only. Now, yung headphone na yan, actually, mga price value niya, mga nasa around 3,000 to 4,000. And another pros on this unit, may kasama siyang Microsoft Office. Well, kahit wala naman siyang kasamang Microsoft Office, ginagawa ng paraan ng mga Pilipino eh. So lastly, isa sa mga pros ito, ang kanyang price. Kaya nga siya naging isa sa mga mabenta dito sa Laptop Factory. For a Ryzen 5, 16 gig memory, 512 SSD, may Microsoft Office for only 30,000. Normally, ang mga Ryzen 5 natin is mga nasa 35,000 and above. And then, meron pa siyang kasamang headphone by HyperX. Alright, by the way guys, last time na tinanong natin, so ilan ang total branches ni Laptop Factory? Well, the answer is... So, congratulations sa'yo. If you see your name there in the video, please message us on Viber para mapadala natin tong Hayer tablet. So, siya, tablet na lang. And then, after this video, mamimigay naman tayo ng Phanteks speaker. For the question today, ano ang ranking ni HP noong 2022? Was it first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or whatsoever? If you know the answer, comment down below and baka manalo ka nitong Phanteks speakers na ito. Okay, you don't need to pay anything. Bibigyan namin yan for free. Okay, so in case that you're interested in buying this unit, this would be available at our stores nationwide, and we also do cash on delivery. Honestly speaking, I don't really need to vlog this unit because mabenta na to sa amin. Pero at least aware ka na kung ano yung maganda dito at kung ano yung pangit dito sa unit na ito bago magbilhin. So, if you do have any suggestions or feedback about this unit, comment lang kayo dyan. So, then again, this is Tito Dustin. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and Happy New Year to you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.